Let's talk about our hero coin ZBCN. ZBCN is sitting at 0044 right now. And ZBCN yesterday it did dip a bit below area of 004, but like I said, that until and unless we don't see two daily closings below the area of 004, this area, two daily closing with the bodies, not the wicks. Wicks can be fake outs, which is the case scenario, as you can see. Until and unless we don't see ZBCN closing two daily candles with the bodies below this area, we are not going to start the downward journey. That's the only requirement we have for ZBCN, and the way ZBCN is controlling this area. And today, when the rest of the market was a bit in a turmoil, a lot of coins, they started turning red. Even Bitcoin was going down from 110 to 107. Ethereum started going down. Everything was taking a downward trend. That was not the case scenario with ZBCN. ZBCN, on the other hand, was pumping up by 17%, 18%, stuff like that. The reason for it is simple. This is a crucial support area. Like I said this yesterday as well. Losing this area is only going to dictate the journey towards 001. Now that is dramatic, and of course, as it is so important, I think that the overall buyers, they are putting up a really good fight over this area. As long as this area is intact, the overall hopes and dreams towards the area of 007 and creating the new all-time high by breaking that as well, and then finally in the longer run going and hitting 1 cent, all those stuffs, they will stay alive if we keep this area intact. If this area of 004 stays intact, we can always hope for upward journey and not a downward journey, because you are sitting at a support area. This is an area, if you are a ZBCN lover and you haven't purchased it, this would be the area that you would buy. But of course, if you think you are a person that thinks that, okay, we can lose this area, it can break, then of course you can always buy ZBCN at a way bigger discount of 60-70% in price, at least at 001 or 002, 003. I mean, wherever you catch it, it is going to be a massive discount. And that's pretty much it. I don't think there is anything else to add. Let me look at it on a smaller time frame, if anything fancy has developed on it. Nope, nothing. Even if we look at it on 4 hours, this is your double top, triple top structure, head and shoulder structure. You can call it anything. This 004 area is your neckline, and it is not breaking and rather reacting to the neckline. Until and unless we don't break this line of 004, there is no downward journey. As I said, structure is there, it is the neckline, but deliverance is missing. As deliverance is missing, we might as well just bounce and start it going up. And of course, our first target will be area of 005, and after that we would be talking about creating new all-time high. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.